This is my ingredients. Repolio, onion, garlic, pancit and chicken. Clean the chicken with salt. Sprinkle salt on the chicken and rinse with water. If everything ready, prepare some condiments. This is open measurement. Prepare oyster sauce, granules, seasoning, and water. Heat the pan with little oil. Add onion and garlic. Don't burn garlic. If the aroma come out, add chicken. Stir well until the chicken oil comes out. Add enough water for your soup. Estimate the water according the pancit you use. Let the soup boiling until the chicken is tender. Add pancit and slowly mix so that the pancit easily cook. Taste the flavor according to your taste. Season fish sauce. Mix well and add repolio. Slowly mixing so that the chicken is not become crushed. Again, guys, I have some pancit that needs a lot of water. So that's why this is open measurement, so that you can make your own flavor, your own taste. And now the fish sauce according to your taste. Check the flavor before adding oyster sauce. After you put oyster sauce, mix slowly so that the flavor is even. When you eat this, you feel full even without rice. And now this is chicken noodles soup recipe. Thank you for watching, guys.